Team Forex Moguls. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Back again with another banger. Namhlanje ngeke ngichithele isikhathi as always. Into engizobe ngikhuluma ngayo kakhulu ukuni-understandisa ama-interest rates nama-central banks. So yona namhlanje itopic esizobe sikhuluma ngayo. Basically, ikanje lento. Awukazi unaka ukuthi why ama-currencies sometimes eba strong and sometimes eba weak. Even ngisho noma kuthiwa ke awekho ama fundamental news, like manje ama fundamental news ngisho like ama spikes, yabo, uthola ukuthi nje kune spike nje esinzima kabi, yabo, but uthola ukuthi kodwa ke ama currencies akhona ayehla nje ayenyuka. So leyo nto leyo ke isuke yenziwa ukuthi kunama interest rates and nama banks that are involved during those currencies. So namhlanje we're gonna tap into that so bengini understandisa leyo part specifically. So into yokuqala nje umbuzo that you have in your mind manje ukuthi okay, what are central banks? So ama central banks basically they are actually banks that controls imali kwi-country. Mhlambe let's say njengoba nje kunamabhenki, obviously la eSouth Africa kunebhenki. So amabhenki lawo iwona akwazi ukuthi acontrol i-movement of money, yabo, indlela imali esuke ihamba ngayo, flowa ngakhona. So nje iyona ncazelo nje le specific. Lawo mabhenki lawo ngizokunikeza i-examples zamabhenki kanjani. Obviously number one, which is South African Revenue Bank, which is we know vele, yabo. And then mase kuthi ngaphandle kuba ilona ibhenki lase-England, mase kuba ibhenki Central Bank le yase Europe, then mase kuba ke ile bank leli ke elaziwa kakhulu, which is i-Federal Reserve Bank, which is USA, yabo. So ilona i-main goal yalama bank iyodwa ukuthi asuke efuna ukukhipha i-inflation under control so that izokwazi leyo nto ukusupporta i-economy ukuthi inyuke. That is mostly i-agenda yalama bank, ukuthi nje fanele senze sure ukuthi inflation nje siyenza ukuthi ibe kwi-level e-right. Ngoba phela as a country you would want a country ukuthi ikwazi ukunyuse i-economy igrowe iye phezulu. So kahle kahle that is our first question and answer concerning ama central banks. Then question number 2, ukuzibuza ukuthi ayini ama interest rates. So let me just type it out. What's interest rates? That will be your second question. So basically ama interest rates, it's actually like those are cost asuka encourage ngalesi sikhathi uboleka imali, or maybe mhlambe mawukuthi imali uyisavile njengokubona mhlambe let's say Capitec uyazi mawubeka imali bona mhlambe let's say uyisavile mhlambe like for 6 months, leyo mali ozosuka uyibekile iya encourage ama interest. Leyo interest leyo ibuye izo-add kule mali ngokuthi wena usave imali. Nanakhona futhi ukuthi let's say ubolekisa imali angithi ukubona ukuba noma shonile athi umuntu hayi interest yami u-30%, meaning ukuthi uzobe usumkweleda lelo percent. So lento ikabili, it's either uyayiboleka imali or uyayisave, you earn interest concerning that. That is the summary of ama interest rates lawo. And lama interest rates obviously asuke ebekwe umthetho by ama central banks. So the more lama interest enyuka, the more nayi currency, yayibo lonto, the more the currency iba strong, the more i-currency nje inyuka amandla, uyabo lona. Obviously lapho ke uyazi ukuthi ama returns mawukuthi uinvestile azoba makhudlwana, azothi uxaxa. So So leyo nto leyo, sorry about that. So leyo nto leyo izokwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukubona imali yakho inyuka, yayibho lo, izokwazi ukubona imali yakho inyuka. So nje basically those are the things that you need to understand and look for kuma interest rates akho. Then when we go to the next phase, which is number 3, impact kanjani ke interest rates markets? How interest rates impact excuse sorry, forex markets. Excuse, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry about that. So number 1, into eyenzakalayo ukuthi ama-traders, into ayenzayo ukuthi ngalesikhathi ama-traders nama-investors emove imali from kwenye country excuse, from kwenye country to another country enama-loan akhulu, anama-interest amakhulu, bakwazi ukuthi ba-earn more money. Uyazi nawe i-forex ukuthi kanjani. It's a forex exchange, like that is where people change imali. Mhlawumbe let's say ula eSouth Africa and kade ubuya e-USA, ubuya usuza ngala, and uyazi ngala idola likhulu kunalo kwala eSouth Africa, which is irand. The moment usuke e-USA uza ngala, imali definitely izoba inkudlwana, ngeke izifane, because i-currency yakhona is totally different, ayibho lonto, which lento elidele ekutheni kube ne-strong trend concerning i-forex. So nje leyo nto leyo ileyo parts that you need to understand ukuthi i-impacta kanjani i-market, i-impacta ngaleyo ndlela. And leyo nto leyo yenza ukuthi kube more beneficial kulabantu aba-investile or laba ama-traders, because the higher the interest, the more attractive i-currency iba khona. Obviously interest rate uyazi-ke the thina-ke sishaya i-market-ke senze imali buyer strong. Okay, and then let's go to the next question yethu, or the next phase, which is why ama-forex traders watch ama-central banks. Meaning it's watching, meaning what they have more info, they search it, they have more understanding concerning that. Why? Let me type it out. Why forex traders watch central banks? Okay, central. Why? Number 1, logo kubanikeza more i-guidance yokuthi what are the future rates will be looking like, yabo. Obviously the more knowledge you put, the more understanding you have concerning ama central banks and how the rates will be in the future, prediction mhlawumbe ake ngibeke kanjani. So lokho kusiza lapho. Nanaloku ukuthi kuye kube khona uma ubheka kuma calendars e-markets, kuye kube khona lezi zinto abazibiza ama-speeches nama-press conference. Loko ngendlela okuyinyakazisa ngayo i-markets kwenza kube ngaphezulu, then kube ngaphezulu kwaloku ukuthi uthole ama-actual results of ama-interest rates, meaning ukuthi ama-speeches abo, they have more inputs ukuthi market inyakaze kakhulu then nalawa nje ama actual interest rates lawa uthola ukuthi awase ebank, which is lawa engihle kade ngikhuluma ngayo ngwa explainer before. So it has more influence kakhulu yabo. So basically that is why abantu beclinja kakhulu ekutheni bawalandelele wona ama central banks. And then after that number 5 wethu singawabheka up lama interest rates nalama decision. Ikephi la khona esingaba khona nolwazi ukuthi siwabheke. Okay, let me type it out. Where to check interest rates. Excuse. Okay, let me type it out. Number 1, la ungabheka khona ungawathola kwi forex. Okay, sorry about that. Forex factory, excuse me, calendar. That's number 1. Number 2 ungawathola ku investing.com. Then mase ukuthi number 3 ubheka malo watch central banks statements. So that is where that you can get ama interest rate. I-forex factory calendar i-app, but ke ungaya kwi-website nakhona ungafika uyithole. Then i-investing.com nayo i-app, ungaya futhi internet nayo uyithole. Wa-check khona-ke lama interest rates. If more ukuthi khona la unga-understandanga khona, make sure you comment down below. Subscribe, like, comment, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. On a road to 5k subscribers. We're going strong. We kill the markets. This week in J, it's going to be a good week. Tuesday we're trading, I think 3 times. We're trading 3 times, which is Tuesday, if not Wednesday. I think it's Thursday or Friday. But J, this week, ngibonile ukuthi kunama events akho. So let's check it out and let's make more money. Let's get it. Team Forex Moguls. Danko.